tonight is Renaissance Under the Stars.
It's a fantastic event where you got live audio, people playing on stage. It's super cool. You have live paintings in the back over here, and those, they're awesome. They're really cool.
Something that's really unique about Ruts is we have all of our 3 academies doing different things. So our film academy is walking around taking pictures, filming. We have multiple cameras set up, doing interviews. Audio is running the whole thing. They're doing lights, they're doing music. And then art is doing all the things. There's gonna be a live painting, and then we're having face painting and hair tinsel. There's a lot of things going on.
What's really amazing, especially about Renaissance Under the Stars, is it's so unique. It gives you your CTE hands-on experience.
Everybody gets to have a real life way that they learn how to do their work. So film, we're walking around, we're interviewing people, we're filming, versus just being in a classroom and learning about it. We get to do it audio. They're putting on a whole concert, art, they're doing things live. So it's really hones our skills and just makes us better overall.
What I love the most is being part of student council. I get to help set up this, so I got to play the carnival games for free. Those are really, really fun.
I think the most fun thing is getting to interact with everyone, because every grade just comes together, and it's really a great way to talk to people that you don't normally talk to, and you get to meet people's families, and it's just a really good way to connect with the community at Renaissance.